This video shows how to fit our Enduro mounts. So the first thing you need to do is mark a center line carefully. Pen or a pencil, I've used tape here. Also try and do this in a warm environment. Do it on a warm day, or at least warm the area up, because the adhesive goes off a lot better that way. The next thing you need to do is take the alcohol wipe that comes with the Enduro mount and just wipe over the area. Get all the greasy marks off. Seconds just to evaporate off. While it's evaporating, you can take the backing pad off the pad. Get the mount and line it up with your tape. Start pushing it down at one end, then move to the other end. That's it. Here we have it all stuck down, and you just need to leave it overnight to cure.